Want to know what is the most fun way to learn robotics and coding? Introducing AVISHKAAR Abot Advanced, the 10-in-1 robotics and coding kit for beginners. With metal parts, motors, wheels, sensors, nuts and bolts, programmable brain and a rechargeable battery. Just build, code and play to make 10 exciting robots. Piano bot, archery bot, butler bot, table cleaner, touch dancer. Learn 21st century STEM skills of robotics, coding, creativity and problem solving that will be required for 80% jobs in the future. AVISHKAAR Abot Advanced. Robots easy to build, easier to code.